Introducing the Tcoivs 6-set cupcake boxes. These sturdy and practical containers are the perfect solution for storing and transporting your delicious cupcakes. The package includes 6 boxes and 6 inserts, providing you with everything you need to keep your cupcakes safe and secure. Made of durable, high-quality food-grade Kraft paperboard, these cupcake holders are built to last. Assembly is quick and easy, allowing you to quickly prepare your cupcakes for presentation or delivery. Once assembled, the boxes feature an insert inside that holds the cupcakes in place, preventing them from moving around and getting damaged. We are committed to your satisfaction, which is why we offer a 100% complete satisfaction guarantee. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, we will happily replace or refund the entire item. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and may require an adapter or converter for international use. We recommend checking compatibility before making your purchase. With its convenient features and durable construction, the Tcoivs cupcake boxes are a must-have for any baking enthusiast. Order yours today and ensure your cupcakes arrive fresh and intact. Product information. ASIN B085PP149J. Customer reviews. 4.6 out of 5 stars, 1,687 ratings. Best sellers rank. Number 37,628 in kitchen and dining. Number 57 in cupcake carriers. Date first available. March 10, 2020. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Click the short link to get your Tcoivs 6-set cupcake boxes now. https://amzn.to/3quicksjml